Hello everyone, this is my third video in the series of videos which I am doing for newly joined engineering students. There are two common mistakes which generation of engineers have done, which led to industries saying that Indian engineers are not industry ready. What are those two mistakes? The first one is, in engineering the maximum priority should be given to practicality. Instead of theory, more focus should be kept on practicals, right? Practicals in the sense you will be having laboratories, you will be having hardware or software laboratories where students have to go and execute and see what they have seen in the what they have read in the theory. That is what is missing. Okay, why? Because still intermediate, you people won't be having any laboratories. Though intermediate has laboratories, you know how what kind of labs you have done. But when you come to engineering, you have to concentrate on your laboratories well. Though it is software or hardware, you have to show equal importance. Otherwise, you don't know. Why? Because if you get a job, what you have to do? It's not theory, it's not textbook you are going to read there. You have to practice, you have to practically do something in the company. So in order to do that, the initial thing is your laboratories. If you sit in the laboratory, you take your senior record, just copy what he has done, then you are not fit for the engineering. Okay, that is one common mistake from generation of engineers we are doing. That is why Indian engineers are not getting jobs. And second point is, we are settling in service oriented jobs. Okay, the second point is, okay, the projects. It's not that you have to wait till your fourth year or third year to do a project. There are study oriented projects, okay, where you take a topic which interests you more. Okay, you want to do something in the you want to contribute your engineering service in the farming, you want to contribute your engineering service in the healthcare, you want to contribute your engineering service in some other field. Okay, if you have that vision in your mind, why don't you do some study oriented projects? Though you don't have any coding skills right now in your first year, okay, what you have to do is, you have to read about the technologies which are there in the farming, which are there in the healthcare, which are there in any field which you wanted to do something. Okay, so you need to understand those things, you need to understand the current methods which are there in those particular sectors, and when you are ready with your coding skills and hardware skills, you need to apply this whatever study oriented projects you do, it becomes a support for you when you start doing your own projects. These are the 2 points which I wanted to tell you people. These are the 2 points which generation of engineers are not taking care. That is why the suffering is. Okay, I don't want you, the budding engineers, to do the same mistake again. Okay, I'm going to repeat. One is, all the practicals which you are doing in terms of software, hardware in engineering, try to focus on it. Second thing is, start doing projects. Though it is study oriented project or lab oriented project, it's your wish. Thank you. Myself Kaushik, I am CEO of Vagdevi Incubation and Business Accelerator.